Hello everyone, my name is Christian Uche and today we'll be doing some little task and just the task will be very simple. We'll be installing VS Code for uh, more like a student having WDD 130 web fundamental. So we need to set up, okay? So from the setup, we are going to install Virtual Studio Code, okay? So I'm just gonna go here. That's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to download Visual Studio Code. Is going to request is it downloaded for Windows. And while we are downloading, we'll make sure that we look at the user installer, okay, system installer, say blah blah blah. So if you're using Mac, you can use this instead. So just click on this and use. Or if you are using Linux, so if you're using Linux, so you use this to download your VS Code. So I'll be using Windows because I'm operating on the Windows. So all you need to do is just to click Window and it's going to request for this, and you are going to look for maybe desktop. Choose a desktop, or you can choose download document, whichever is best, where you can save those files. It is an application, you see, application file. So you click on save, and once you click on save, automatically it will be downloaded. But today I'm not going to download this because I already have VS Code. So once it's done, once you're done downloading it, you're going to see it like this. So I'm just going to open where I have my application folder. So I just created a folder for it. So where I have the folder, you can see Virtual Studio Code like this. So once you click on it, double click on it, it's going to ask you to set it up if you're still new. Okay, if you're still new to VS Code, it will ask for a setup. So you just want to follow the setup format. Okay, it's not difficult until you get to the finish. And once it's downloaded or installed in your system, it's going to open this. Immediately it is installed, you're going to have this. Let's go to new. No, let's use this. So once it's installed, save changes. Yeah, save changes. So once it's installed, you are going to see exactly Visual Studio Code like this. So this is going to be the preview. Okay, so all you need is this. So once you're done installing VS Code, we are going to look for a live server. So all you need to do is to click on this extension by my right hand side. If you click on extension, you're going to look for live server. I do normally use live server. I love using live server 5, so I can install this. I already have right tweak there, so this is also okay. So you need this for the course. So you just install it, or you can click on it here to install. So once you are done installing, it can help you preview your code. So you can preview your code. So that is it for VS Code. So that is how to download VS Code. So if you don't download the VS Code, all you need is live server for this. So let's go back to our course. So install Visual Code, and once you're done downloading Visual Code, alright, so this is it. You'll see a welcome like this, and you're asked to install live server. after installing the live server, where you get it is from the extension view icon. So you can open with live server whenever you want to do your HTML. So let's go back a bit. So that is for installing Visual Studio Code. Alright, so I'm going to close this and I'm going to stop this video.